Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I'm the Fingernail Reviewer, the internet's favorite auntie, and I am here with something really special for you guys today. And y'all know the internet's favorite auntie had to go out and get something hot and special for y'all. But first, these are the nails of the day, ladies. Yeah. So what do I have that's hot and special and fresh off the presses for y'all? Guess what it is? My Hennessy. Now I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I'm not a brown drinker. You guys probably know from my last video, I'm tequila. Now we'll do Reposado. However, I'm pretty much a tequila person. But you cannot say that you have a Ninja Slushi at home and you didn't run out and buy these. Now, we'll tell y'all one thing. It was so hard to get these things. They were sold out everywhere. We literally just picked these up like 5 minutes before we started to shoot. And I know you guys are wondering, like, well, how did you get it? My cameraman had to literally call the store, ask when the truck was coming in, and camp out in front of the store an hour before the truck. He was literally there showing them getting it off the truck and was first in line. So how do we honor how he has come through for us today? We test them. So what do we have on deck? Well, we have this Hennessy Rita, which I'm assuming is supposed to be a, well, I don't have to assume. It tells me right here. It is a margarita-inspired cocktail. Now, you guys can see that these say they are ready to serve, so you really shouldn't have to add anything extra to it. But if you really, really want a good cocktail, baby, you get you another bottle of Hennessy and you put all that together, we're going to really turn it up. Now, this is the Hennessy Berry. It says it's a berry mojito-inspired cocktail. Again, I'm not a fan of mojitos, but we're going to try this bad boy today. And this is a Hennessy iced tea. It says it's an iced tea inspired cocktail. So we're going to assume that this is kind of like a Long Island iced tea, although, of course, that has like 5 different liquors in it. But Hennessy can definitely be one of them. So you guys have to stay tuned. We're going to see how these things slush, how they're going to come out. And the internet's favorite auntie gonna rate these bad boys for you. So we're gonna start with the Hennessy Rita. And first of all, we're gonna taste test this before we slush it. We're just gonna see how that tastes. So let's get her open. That's one thing I love about Hennessy. That cork, baby. They don't have that in any other liquor. And when you hear that, that's when you know it's time to party, like you popping over some champagne. So let's see. We're just going to do a taste test, y'all, because it's in the afternoon and I don't want to be drunk. Let's see. Well, let me look at it again. Okay, so it kind of tastes like Hennessy mixed with lemonade. To be honest, that's what it tastes like. So because it says Hennessy Rita, if you were expecting like for it to taste like a margarita, it does not. So there's no like sweet and sour mix, that hint of Coke that they put sometimes in margaritas, depend on what you ask for. I like mine with a little splash of sweetness because that sweet and sour is overpowering. But yeah, this literally tastes like Hennessy with lemonade in it. What I can tell you is I fill it all up in here. So whether you're taking it with infused or a straight shot of Hennessy, it kind of feels the same. Hennessy Berry. Let's see what that is like. Oh, yeah. Let's taste. This tastes like cough medicine. I can't even lie to y'all. This is nasty. We're gonna slush it up, see what happens. But yeah, this failed the taste test. This is nasty. Last but not least is the Hennessy iced tea. Ooh, sexy. Okay. Okay. This is the more potent one. Can't even get it out. My throat is on fire right now. If you want one that's strong and you want the potent one, this is your guy. So I'm going to pour that back in there because we don't want alcohol abuse. We don't waste a drop. We're going to slide this over. We're going to slide her in. It's time to get slushy, my friends. Let's go. Ow. We are going to start with the strongest one, this Hennessy iced tea. Don't know why I closed it. Pay me no mind, honey. We're going to get her in. We're going to add a little bit of water. We just want to get it to that fill line just because we need to get it to freeze. Now keep in mind that these are not straight Hennessy, so you don't really need a lot of water because nobody want to water their drink down, okay? So let's just get this water in there till we get to that fill line. Cameraman gave me a thumbs up. That means I'm at the fill line. That means we can start. We're going to close this hatch. Bam! We're going to let this bad boy do its thing. We'll be back in about 20 minutes. Looks like it's ready. Let's pull it up, let it all fall out. Oh, it's so excited to get out. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Look at that. It is beautiful. Now let's give it a taste test. It tastes better when you slush it. So overall, after it being slushed, I would probably rate this as I give it a 7.5. So now we're going to move on to the next one. Next up is henna berry. If you guys remember, this thing was nasty in the taste test. So we're going to see how it tastes once we slush it.
Twenty minutes later.
All right, y'all, we're back. We're gonna pour up the berry. Ooh. Oh my. That's pretty. Now let's give it a taste test. It's still nasty. Still tastes like cough medicine. However, did it slush? Yes. What would I rate this especially because I've already slushed the iced tea? I would probably give this a 4.5. It's still very like cough medicine, tasty kind of thing. So, however, again, try it yourself, see how you liked it. But all in all, it's slushed. It's just not good. So moving on, we have the Hennessy Rita. Let's hope this turns out better than that berry because that berry is nasty and I'm not going to stop saying it. All right, let's pop her. Oh, I never get tired of that sound. In we go. All right, y'all, we are back. We're gonna test this Rita. First of all, let's get that nice pour. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful margarita for a nice summer day? We're gonna go ahead and turn this off so that we can taste this wonderful Rita. It tastes just like the taste test. It is literally Hennessy with lemonade in it. And you guys can see even more so that it's Hennessy with lemonade. Look at that nice yellow color. It wasn't this yellow before I slushed it. So it brought out a lot of that lemon flavor. And if you like that, then great, but it definitely does not taste like a margarita inspired drink. So let's roll this back. We're going to slide this over first. We're going to roll back what we did today. So again, Hennessy Rita, just tasted that. If I had to rate this one, I'd probably give it a 6.5 just because it wasn't terrible. We already talked about this nasty thing. 4, maybe a 3 now that I think about it. And when I compare it to the other ones, straight tastes like Robitussin. And the winner, which is the Hennessy iced tea. Again, I think I gave this one an 8, if I'm not mistaken, but only because of how potent it is. It has the highest Hennessy content. So if you want to get toe up, start with this one. If you want a nice summer day, chill drink, try this one. If you like slushed Robitussin, try this one. Overall, I would say definitely don't waste your money on this one. I'd probably do these two. This has been a good adventure, I will say. We had fun doing this today. My cameraman even had a taste test, and he pretty much feels the same way that I feel about these drinks. So I guess we'll close this out. And you guys know my closing phrase. Stay slushy, my friends. See you later.